Have you ever had mac and cheese spaghetti squash? This is a low carb option if you can't do gluten. It's keto friendly and it's really, really good. So take you a spaghetti squash, cut it in half, either this way or you can cut it like side to side if you want. And we're gonna bake this in the oven to get it nice and done. Now you do wanna spray it. I've put olive oil on mine because I don't want it to burn. My oven's gonna be 400 degrees and it takes it about 30 minutes or so to cook. So we're gonna get this in the oven and get it cooked till this is fork tender. So once you've got this out of the oven and it's fork tender, you just take a fork and scrape all the strings out. When you're done scraping, they should kind of look like that. Now you can keep these if you would like to put all this back in here after you get it mixed with the cheese to make it that mac and cheese. I'm not going to do that this time, so we're going to just trash these. Now let's make our cheese sauce. So we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're just going to whisk that together to make it into a paste. Once you have that in a paste, we're going to whisk in 1 cup of milk. Very slowly. Make sure your milk is either room temperature or just slightly warmed. And then you're just going to keep cooking this on like a medium-high heat until this sauce gets nice and thick. All right, it looks like it's getting thick, so we're going to go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Whisk that in and then add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And you can remove it from heat and get this cheese all melted. All right, at this point, we're gonna mix our spaghetti squash in with our cheese sauce. You could eat it just like this if you want. Me, I'm gonna put it in some cute little bowls. I'm gonna top it with just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And then I'm gonna throw it in the oven on broil for just a few minutes just to brown this cheese on top. Hope you guys